What?
What the hell are you doing in there?
Sitting high, still riding them big bricks, still fly, still grinding.
Hey man, what are you doing?
Help me, baby Jesus.
Help me, Tom Cruise. Where'd you get the gas from?
My lawnmower.
Oh, okay.
No,
Sweet.
it's Kroger.
Kroger's.
Odds in a full car. How does a car with a cage, no passenger seat, and race brakes and a K-member, race front brakes only, with Chinese wheels, and a 260-pound driver, weighs 3625? Yeah, unless his goes are off, but I mean, that's interesting. You were 3890 when you went 8-1. 3875 or 30, I mean, yeah, 3875 or 95. Potentially. And you're a full tank right now. What do you got? Huh? 3/4 of a tank. Impressive. All right, let's go.
Negative 220. That's why it's so low. Could not make sense why.
What is it? 220?
Negative 220.
Negative 220, so you're 3840. That's not bad. But the point is, though, you have nothing. You have a heavy driver's seat. You're heavier than most of the drivers out there. And you have no passenger seat, a cage, 3/4 of a tank, and a race brake and Chinese wheels. It doesn't make sense. Let's go. Chinese wheels to the win. So we're 38.
Does he want a Pro Tree?
Yes, sir.